Hello everyone, welcome to another UConn UPDC construction project update. My name is Lou Gett, and today is March 6, 2018. We are on the new Student Rec Center project. This will be our 11th video of the series, and we're going to take you through progress since our last update. We're going to begin our aerial footage, the southeast corner, the most important part of the building this last week. We're looking down at the flag. Topping off ceremony was February 27th. We have a nice clip at the end of this series. Today, just this morning, the last bar joist was installed in this location here. The crane will be moving next week. All of the structural steel is in place, minus two staircases on the south side of the pool. Fantastic. So the building is in its shape. As we swing by this east elevation, we'll remind you this corner over here is the outdoor recreation area right in through here. We're actually pouring the slab today. That's what the pump truck is. You can see in this area over here, this corner behind the white plastic right here is the climbing wall area that runs up multiple floors. We look to the left-hand side is the stair tower B. We'll show you that up close. Actually carries you up through the track into the roof. This north elevation, we're going to take you on a close-up of the 4th floor track. That's what you see, the final layer of steel below the roof line. What an amazing space that it's going to be. The white plastic is for temporary enclosure to place some slabs. We're going to show you that shortly. We're flying over the parapet. This is the mechanical section. We'll explain to you why the walls are a little taller over through here to hide some of the mechanical penetrations. Very excited. We can see 2 lifts in this corner on the hillside elevation. To the left of the blue lift, or just in front of it, our framing has started, cold form framing through here. And we'll talk a little bit about the polycarbonate panels in this section. But great progress since the last time we flew through. We now have a stair tower to access the roof. That's actually where our entrance video was shot. I was standing on top of this stair tower. And as we swing around the post-tension slab, we're going to take you inside how that space is being used for men and equipment and soils. We're going to show you the track. You can see through the roof line. The intermittent steel below the roof line is the track down in through here. This will be the last time you'll be able to see through the roof, through the bar joist, into this core area right through here. The next time we come by, all the steel will be on the roof in through here. And finally, we're finishing where we started off in this southeast corner. What a great view of the flag. Thanks again to Milton Levin and Breck Eckhart from Communications for this little clip that you're about to see. Our east elevation will go back through our outdoor recreation center in through this area, right in through here. Our loading garage in through this section, right over through here. Now that the building is taking shape, the partitions aren't up yet. This will be partitioned off. Be our electrical room over in here, mechanical service in over in through here, the pool, mechanical over behind it in through here. Let's take a walk and see the progress. They're working on stair B at this time. We're coming in through here. This will be all partitioned off later on. Our elevator pit right in through here. Great progress in the showers. I'm now standing in the men's locker room through here. Tons of plumbing in this area here. All the toilets, all the showers in these areas, all the sinks in these areas. So basically, standing in the men's, universal, and the women's over in through here. Understand there'll be a test in this week. Pretty smart use of the space in the pool in here. They had some extra soils in here. They brought it down for the pool, and it was right here. It was able to be passed right over into the shower area in through here. Fantastic way. to still be able to bring the machines in. We're seeing the post-tension slab been cleaned up, done some buttering on the beams since the last time we were here. They still have the acoustical slots to clean up, but a chance to check the progress. And the pool is going to be one of the last things to be finished in this area, so there's not going to be a lot going on. It's a great space to be used to house equipment and soils, as we just discussed. Quick tidbit: how do you know exactly where these pipes are without any walls in place? And the center line of column is the reference. So you can see the contractor has a string between the center line of column. All the partitions are referenced east and west, north and south from the center line of columns. That's the reference point. When they build the walls, they use the same center line of column reference. That way it all works. Fitness one has a kind of a strange look to it. It has all this plastic up, and the plastic is to hold the heat in. We poured the decks. We're going to show you that last week. We poured Fitness 3 deck over here. It's holding the heat in through here. Very nice. We're actually standing under the staircase. We've seen this several times in the past. First floor Fitness 1. Great progress is going on here. We're taking a look at the mechanic installing the finish coat on the fireproofing here. Fantastic. We're going to show you the deck was placed last week. Most important thing, we talked about it. Sets the steel with its dead load, then they're able to fireproof, and all the mechanical trades will go in next. So big progress now that the slab has been placed. We're on the first floor. Okay, we just came up the stairs on the second floor here. Over Fitness 1 is Fitness 3. The slab has been placed. This was the big deal. The big progress that's going to release so much work. We showed you the fireproofing down before, down below. This is a curing paper that goes over the top. Has to stay wet for 7 days. So every couple of days, they'll be pouring a new slab here. We can see on the second floor, towards the east side, finishing machine going in through here. They just placed this slab today. Mechanical room. This is a big, tall space. This is needed. This is going to be loaded with mechanicals in through here. This slab was placed last week along with Fitness 1, and right below us, right in through here. Very nice. We get to see the track, not 100%, but in its location. Huge track. Going to be quite the run around all of our courts here. Okay, stair B we looked at down below. We'll go up for access to the roof through here. Look at that track. That's our fourth floor track that runs all the way around. Another 2 courts in this area right in through here. The track runs around. This is our north elevation through here. Swings around to the west, to the south. Amazing. Get a chance to see through to the sky on these large bar joists. The decking's on the top. Another couple of days, all this decking will be over the top. The bracing, we see the X bracing in there. That has to happen. Awesome. It's a great spot to show you what's going on here with the north elevation of the track here. Look at how it's actually extended out. It's cantilevered out from the face of the building. What a great sense that's going to give you. You're running on air as you go through there. And then this other, the overhead, the canopy, the roof line, also extends over the top. So this north area of the track, as it comes around on the 4th floor, what an experience that will be. Above, now from below, and as I mentioned, the north, the 4th floor track, cantilevered, overhangs into the free air space, and there it is. So this all gets covered in a soffit. You'll never see it. This is just the steel framing through here, and as I mentioned, the canopy over the top. But a feature point to the track on the 4th floor. Just a different look looking back from the north to south through here. This would be an expanded area of the track over in this section right in through here. We can see it's got a little radius area in here for the turn around the corners. All the corners have bigger areas on them for sure. The access stairway going over this way. What a huge 6-core area through here. Very excited to see our cold formed framing beginning through here. We've been watching it for the past week up on the parapet, up on top of the mechanical space in through here. It's now moving down towards this west elevation on Fitness 1. It goes all the way down in through here. It's a combination of studs and rough openings, little knee wall, little soffit up over the top. This wall gets our polycarbonate panels. We're gonna go down and take a look at the mock-up shortly. Very nice. You can see the clips, the supporting clips up on the top, specifically in the exact location for the studs to come down in through here. Great view on the roof line here. We can see the high point. Pretty neat. Be able to see there's a little bit of a pitch that goes towards the south, back in towards the center line. Be a set of roof drains all the way down the center through there. You can see it a little more pronounced up through here on the north section. We have an access to the roof. This roof will be going on shortly. The mechanical parapet that we talked about just a second ago. Gamble in the distance. Very nice. Okay, we just looked at our cold form framing down below. Now we can see it comes up through the top and through here. Awesome. So the parapet's a little bit taller than the roof line over the mechanical room. This will block all the mechanical penetrations in this section right in here. From the ground, you won't even know that it's taller than the roof below it. Very nice. We're now at our exterior mock-up. Not completed, but a great way to keep an eye on the interface on all the different products. So the blue, the exterior, gets 100% of this, what we call the AVB, air vapor barrier, right in through here. Okay, we can see how the base course of stone, this gives us a place to check the different colors on the grout through here, sable black, okay, down in charcoal, down in through here. We get a chance to check, make sure we're comfortable with the caulking process, that the AVB is wrapped around to the corner here. So this exterior is really a lot of components in through here. This particular curtain wall has a combination of glazing in through here. This lower level here has a plywood backing, composite panels in here. We get a chance to see how we like the AVB in the back through here. We've been talking a lot about the polycarbonate panels, section of the polycarbonate panels, which is a heavy plastic, allows the sunlight to go through there. All right. So work in progress. This mock-up will show us how the soffit blends in, goes together through here. We've got some eye pay that goes on here, some vertical eye pay. We're going to show you that coming up. Helping hands. Again, we get a chance to see all the details, the tie-ins with the vapor barrier, the most critical aspect right in through here, our caulk joints. So we'll be coming back to this mock-up, exterior mock-up, several times. Again, today is March 6, 2018, and we thank you for your interest in our university projects. Remember to subscribe to our UConn UPDC channel. In bold red, click on subscribe, a second click next to the bell, check next to send me all notifications for this channel with a save. You'll now receive an automatic notification every time an update has been added. We thank you for your interest in our university projects. Have a great day.